Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download Windows updates manually on your Windows 10 computer. So this will hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So rather than waiting for Microsoft or Windows to go ahead and check for and download updates, let's go ahead and initialize one manually. So just go into the search menu into the Windows, type in update. Best match should come back for check for updates, select that. And there should be a check for update button over here. Go ahead and left click on it. And if there are any updates available, it will go ahead and download and install. And underneath of check for updates, select view optional updates. If there are any optional updates available, you would go ahead and check for and download them here at this point as well. So pretty straightforward process guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.